Meet Maya, a graphic designer passionate about digital art. She sold her work online, but the buzz around NFTs caught her attention. The idea of creating unique, ownable digital art was irresistible. But when Maya tried to mint her first NFT on Ethereum, the costs were sky high. Hundreds of dollars for a single piece. For an independent artist, that was a deal breaker. Like many creators, Maya saw the potential of blockchain but was blocked by high fees and slow speeds. She wanted to build, connect with her audience, and experiment, but the barriers felt insurmountable. Just as she was about to give up, Maya discovered online communities discussing new, more accessible blockchains. Names like Solana and Polygon kept coming up. Platforms promising speed, low costs, and a welcoming environment for creators. Suddenly, the dream of launching her own NFT collection felt possible again. These weren't just alternatives to Ethereum, they were the next step for builders like Maya. The question was no longer if she could build, but where. Solana and Polygon represented a new wave of opportunity. For Maya, the journey was just beginning, and for thousands of creators, the choice between these platforms would shape the future of their work. So, what makes Solana and Polygon so special? Think of Ethereum as the original highway, reliable but crowded and expensive. Solana and Polygon are the new express lanes built for speed and affordability. Solana's promise, the fastest blockchain, handling tens of thousands of transactions per second, perfect for high-frequency apps like games or trading platforms. Polygon, meanwhile, is an express lane alongside Ethereum, a Layer 2 solution. It lets developers use familiar Ethereum tools, but with lower fees and faster speeds. For Maya, this meant she could mint NFTs for pennies, not hundreds of dollars. She could reward her supporters and build a community without breaking the bank. The choice, Solana's independent lightning-fast ecosystem or Polygon's familiar Ethereum-connected world? For creators everywhere, these platforms opened doors that once seemed locked. The future was wide open. Solana's secret weapon is its speed, thanks to a technology called proof of history. Transactions are finalized in seconds, with costs just fractions of a penny. This makes Solana ideal for apps needing lots of quick, cheap transactions, like Web3 social platforms or NFT games. Developers can experiment and build complex experiences without worrying about fees. The ecosystem is vibrant, with tools like Phantom Wallet and Magic Eden Marketplace making it easy for newcomers. Artists and collectors flocked to Solana, creating a dynamic, fast-moving NFT scene. For builders, it's like working with a high-performance engine, sleek, fast, and innovative. While Solana has faced some technical hiccups, its vision for a high-speed, low-cost blockchain remains compelling. It's a playground for those who want to push boundaries. For Maya, Solana offered a chance to create without limits, and for many, that's irresistible. Polygon's strength is its deep connection to Ethereum. Developers can use the same code and tools they know, but enjoy faster speeds and lower costs. Polygon is EVM compatible, meaning assets and projects move easily between it and Ethereum. This interoperability brings Ethereum's massive user base and liquidity to Polygon. Major projects like Aave and Uniswap have launched on Polygon, attracting users and credibility. The ecosystem is rich. DeFi, gaming, NFTs, all in one place. For builders, Polygon is a strategic choice scale and save money without leaving Ethereum's comfort zone. Projects like Reddit's NFT collection chose Polygon to reach millions, thanks to its speed and connection to Ethereum. Polygon isn't about competition, it's about collaboration and expanding what's possible. For Maya, Polygon meant joining a thriving, interconnected world. And for many, that's the best of both worlds. How does a builder like Maya choose between Solana and Polygon? It's about matching the platform to the project's needs. Solana is like building with cutting-edge materials, fast, efficient, but new. Perfect for projects needing raw speed, like real-time trading or high-frequency games. Polygon is like using trusted tools with a turbo boost, familiar, flexible, and deeply connected to Ethereum. Ideal for projects wanting to tap into Ethereum's user base and liquidity. For example, Pyth Network uses Solana for lightning-fast data, while DeFi protocols use Polygon to bridge assets and attract users. The choice depends on your priorities, speed and innovation, or familiarity and network effects. For Maya, it was about where her art and community could thrive. For every builder, the right platform unlocks new possibilities. The rise of Solana and Polygon signals a new era for crypto builders. No longer limited by high fees or slow speeds, creators have real choices. These platforms offer more than technology. They're communities, full of support and opportunity. Whether you join a Solana hackathon or a Polygon forum, you'll find people eager to help. The future is multi-chain, with assets and ideas flowing freely between networks. Imagine earning an NFT on Solana and using it in a Polygon DeFi app seamlessly. For Maya and anyone with a big idea, now is the time to build. You don't need to be a crypto expert. The tools and communities are ready. Solana and Polygon have laid the foundation for a new internet. The only question left, what will you create?